What's up, guys? This your boy O, back with another video. Fresh for Lessons, the channel. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so y'all can stay up when I drop these videos. Follow me on Instagram at OTIS_. Today we got a new pickup, the Yeezy Boost 700s. It's September, so y'all probably already know what these is. Take them out the box. Damn, there's some more. I'm gonna just set these right here for a second. Everything is the same with the Yeezys. Regular paper, 700 box. Boost tag, colorway they just got magnet, and magnet. Don't know, maybe because the color resembles your average magnet, I don't know. These are my first pair of 700s. I did go with a size 10.5. I'm usually a 10. I didn't know if these ran big or small. I know 500s run kind of small, so I'm gonna do it on foot and I'll let y'all know how they feel. But pretty much here they go. This was a Yeezy Supply exclusive, so they only came out on Yeezy Supply. I looked up and grabbed two pairs. I got a 9.5 and a 10.5. A lot of people comparing these to the Wave Runners, probably because that bottom kind of resembles a little bit right there. I don't know what I like better out of these or the Wave Runners. These are pretty dope though. This is a personal pair right here. Resale was crazy before the drop. They're supposed to come out on the 5th. They ended up coming out on the 9th for some reason. I don't know why, but resale was crazy. Then after they dropped, it kind of went down to retail. So if you're looking for a pair, hit up StockX or GOAT. You can get these for dang near retail for like 20 bucks over. Definitely cop. I do feel like they're gonna go up in due time, being that, you know, no stores got them, just Yeezy Supply dropped this colorway. But yeah, that's them. Help y'all get a closer look. All kinds of different materials. You got like suede. They do have the 3M. Got a gum bottom. Very nice shoe. It's my first time even holding a pair of 700s, believe it or not. I've had 350s, the 500s, the first pair of 700s, mainly because I don't really not a big fan of the $300 price tag. These are $300 retail, came up to like $320 with tax, which I feel is pretty expensive. This shoe should be like $200 max, in my opinion. But what can you do?
Here they go on feet. Now these, like I said, these are 10.5. I usually wear 10. They do run small. So I suggest anyone thinking about it, definitely go a half size up.
They do have 3M. That's the 3M right there. One thing I wish they did have was an extra set of laces in a different color. I want to lace swap them with something else. But yeah, that's the video, guys. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I will have a giveaway coming soon. So stay tuned. Remember, subscribe. That's how y'all know when the giveaway's coming. Wow, it's even like shining 3M-ish around here. But yeah, that's it, y'all. Yeezy 700 magnets. Thanks for checking it out.